What happens if an airline worker, like a flight attendant, is injured in a turbulent event that happens while they're traveling? Is that covered by workers' comp in the state of Mississippi? Hi, I'm Kevin Runlett with Runlett Law Firm. We focus on helping injured workers in the state of Mississippi, putting out these videos. Hopefully help you out if you're in this situation or a family member's in this situation. So we're talking about the situation where everybody knows that in airline travel, turbulence in the air is something that is probably going to happen if you do any extent of air travel. So this can be quite traumatic, and it does cause injuries. So what happens if a flight attendant is walking down the aisle, they hit a huge pocket of turbulence, she hits her head, causes neck injury, back injury? Is that covered, and where is it covered? Well, absolutely, she was working. And surely that airline company has workers' comp coverage, so it's going to be covered. So the question is where? What if this flight attendant lives in Atlanta, Georgia, and is flying to Jackson, Mississippi, and on the way they're over Alabama, and that's where the turbulence hit? What system of comp does she go over? Well, this is a common situation in workers' comp where a worker may be live in another state, be temporarily in another state working, or a truck driver is traveling across state lines and gets injured. It happens all the time. So technically, the comp claim can be filed in a number of states. It can be where the person lives, where the employer resides or is established. It can be in the state of the actual injury. And actually, claims can be filed in both states simultaneously. Now, the caveat to that is, in the end, the injured worker is not going to be able to collect from the total amount from both states. They will offset. They will not let you double dip. But you can file in multiple states. What we do in this situation is try to look at all the different jurisdictions where the person could file, and then we will find out which state has the best workers' comp policies to help the injured worker. And then we will usually pursue that. Now, if someone lives in Mississippi and they are traveling outside, let's say they are a flight attendant that lives in Mississippi, injured with turbulence over another state, Illinois. Do we want Illinois to handle that even if they have slightly better benefits? Probably not, because we can control things as attorneys in Mississippi. We know the doctors in Mississippi. We will be here. This is where your treatment will need to be. So it usually is a little bit more smooth. The process goes a little better if the person files a claim in the state they live in, but not always. So it's just something you need to talk to your attorney about. And hope this answers some questions. If you like the videos, hit the like button, subscribe to us. We really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day.